Today we are going to read the story Bugs All Around. Look at this page right here, page 28. I'm going to circle it for you. Look at the different bugs. How are some bugs alike, do you think? Looking at the pictures, we'll read it, but tell me just looking at the pictures. Both of those bugs have legs, don't they? But how are they different? One is round and some are skinny. So look at this caption right here, and I'm going to change the color because you won't see yellow very good. Look right here. It says ants work hard. So what does that tell us about ants? They are really hard workers. So we can get some information from our text, but we can also get some information from our pictures as we read. Like this little picture here says, a ladybug has 6 legs. This says a centipede has many legs. So by reading our picture captions, we know that both of these types of bugs have legs. Okay, let me erase this and we'll get started on our book.
Bugs all around. Some bugs look alike. Some bugs look very different. Some bugs have 6 legs. Some bugs have many more legs. An ant has 6 legs. Ants like to work together. They can build a nest. Ants like to live together.
So look on this page right over here, and we are going to look for some of our sight words, our high frequency words. Can you find the word like on this page and put your finger on it? Can you find the word like? Right here is the word like. Ants like to work together. Can you find the word A on that page? Not the letter A. Sometimes the letter A is in words. Can you find the word A? If it's the word A, then it's all by itself. It's not connected to other letters in a word. Right here is the sight word A. It is by itself and it's not hooked up with any other letters because there's a space before it and there's a space after it. That means it's all by itself. Okay, we are going to go on to the next page.
Some bugs have legs and wings. A butterfly has colorful wings. Sometimes we can see butterflies in flowers. Butterflies get food from flowers. Caption: The monarch butterfly has beautiful wings.
Okay, before we read the next page, I want you to look at the picture and I want you to tell me what that picture tells us about the grasshopper. We can't read this, okay? It has big words, and you're kindergartners, and I know you can't read those big words yet. And that's okay, because a lot of times we can look at the pictures, and the pictures will tell us some of the things that's happening. So look at that picture of the grasshopper. What do you think it's telling us? It's telling us how it moves, right? It looks like it's in the air, so it looks like it's jumping because it has these long legs. And the legs are kind of bent at, I guess, what you'd call the grasshopper's knees. So it looks like it just finished hopping. So the pictures tell us a lot of information too. Let's read this page.
A grasshopper has wings and long legs, but it does not fly. It hops. It snaps its wings to make noise. Caption: A grasshopper hops off a leaf.
So when it says caption, it's meaning these little things that's connected to the picture. I would like you to look at this section that I'm circling in red, this page. Can you find the word we on this page? We've been looking at for the sight word we a lot in some different things. Can you find we on this page? It's right here, isn't it? I kind of had my little pointer beside it. I didn't know if you guys would catch on to that or not. Okay, can you find the word see? Can you find the word see and put your finger on it? It is right here. It's really close to the word we, isn't it? Okay, very good.
We can observe bugs to learn more about them. Bugs do not like to be touched, so be careful not to touch any bugs.
What is something that bugs do not like? They do not like to be touched, do they? They really don't. They don't like people. They don't like people to touch them. And should we touch people or things that don't like to be touched? No, we should not. Because if you didn't like to be touched, you wouldn't want anyone touching you. Very good. Okay, thank you for listening to our story today.